What's up guys, I'm your host Harris Pianabong, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of the most iconic, comforting meals, caramelized braised sweet pork. In Lao we call this Thom Khem. Now throughout the Asian country there are different takes and ways on making this. Maybe one or two ingredients making it different. In Vietnamese this is called Thịt. In Khmer it's called Kho Suchuk. In Thai they have a similar version called Palo. This definitely brings back childhood vibes, so let's get started.
Cook your eggs. We're gonna coat it with dark soy sauce for color. You can add this at the end, so it's optional. Next you're gonna caramelize your sugar. To a pot, add in your sugar. On high heat, stir this constantly until you get a golden brown color. This does take practice, so you may burn it. It may take you a couple of tries, but practice makes perfect. Once you get the color you want, immediately add water and let this dissolve. Next, add in your minced ginger, shallots, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, lemongrass, and minced garlic. Cut your pork belly into cubes or bite-sized pieces. Season with chicken bouillon, fish sauce, seasoning sauce, and for color, dark soy sauce, which is optional. Cover this with a lid and let it simmer for 15 to 30 minutes. This will evaporate, so depending how you like your sweet pork, you will add water as needed. Lastly, add in your eggs. Let this cook for another 5-10 minutes and you're done. I like to pair this with pepper sauce, jasmine rice. This was so delicious and comforting. Wow, look at that. Follow